Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing yet another power tool. I've been wanting to add a grinder in my power tools for quite some time now, so decided to finally get one for myself because there's a project I'll be wanting to do. So it comes with a manual that tells you what to do and what to not to do, and then that's the baby grinder. It's actually an angle grinder. And then it comes with a handle, a protective guard, and a key. And I also went and bought myself a grinding disc, a cutting disc, and also some wood disc.